What's going on, traders? So I wanted to give you guys a very quick kind of summary of what it is that the Learn, Plan, and Profit Discord chat offers, what it's going to be used for, and the three different chats that we have, as well as that one, voice channel. So just to give you a very quick, obvious breakdown. So the announcement section, this is where I just talk about, the different things that are going to be coming up this upcoming week. This is not where I'm going to be posting, any stocks or anything like that. This is where, a majority of the Excel files are going to be located. Any announcements that I want the group to know, if I'm updating the course for any new videos, then this is where I'm going to let you know, just so it's nicely, put together. Very few things will be put here, and a majority of the most important things will be put here in the announcement sections. This is just something that where I get to put information. You guys cannot actually comment anything in here, so I just wanted to let you know about that. Trade ideas is where I actually put in the morning, my different stocks that I'm looking at for intraday day trades that I see value in, and maybe some follow-up, swing trades, and keeping you up to date on the top stocks that I see for my swing trade. So I did a top stocks for week 2 of October, and I'm going to be sending out a weekly watch list for my top stocks for swing trades and day trades, the ones that I see value in. Again, that is not a recommendation for you to trade. This is just me giving you more of an exposure to stocks that I see value in. Therefore, it gives you more exposure to have a better understanding. Okay, well, why does Ricky see value in? And then you guys can come down to the conclusion, okay, well, do I see value in or do I not? And that's the whole point of this lesson library. It's for me to work with you to see what you see value in and try to find stocks that meet that certain criteria. Not everything that I see value in is something that you have to do or see value in as well. The Q&A, this is where you can ask questions from time to time. Me and our other admin, who's going to be Justin, he's going to be answering a majority of your questions, as well as I am. This is also where we are going to come together for the voice channel, and this is going to be 30 minutes after the market opens, wherever it is that you are. So Mountain Standard Time, market opens here at 6:30 Mountain Standard Time a.m. So we are going to be joining and gathering together every single day, Monday through Friday, at 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So that is 30 minutes after the market opens, anywhere around the world from wherever you are. So 30 minutes a day from 7 o'clock to 7:30, or 30 minutes after the market opens to a full 30 minutes. I answer any questions, so please be sure to have your questions ready. I can answer anything it is that you might have questions about when it comes down to the course. This is something that this is where I want you guys to take advantage of the opportunity to answer and get all your questions answered, and ask all your questions, and maybe ask for some examples. From time to time, I will be going live on YouTube, only for the Learn, Plan, and Profit group, and I'll send you guys a link before I go live, so you guys can actually see my screen and I can give you some real-world examples. 30 minutes is the minimum that I'm going to be going live for. Sometimes it might be a little bit more, but a majority of the time I am going to want to stick to just the 30 minutes to make it somewhat effective and efficient, and for you guys to understand that and have all your questions put together and making sure that we're organized. So again, this is where we ask and answer all the questions, and the general chat, please make sure that your mic is muted if you are not speaking, but this is where we're going to be coming together again for the 30 minutes after the market opens. Other than that, this is the Learn, Plan, and Profit Discord chat. We will be posting all the different updates when it comes down to the course, the lesson library, the progress, and when it comes down to the actual one-to-one video calls that me and Justin are going to be having with you on a weekly basis. We are going to search your name through the direct message and schedule the one-to-one video call with you. Via Discord. If you don't have Discord, then another way that we are going to do this is via Google Hangouts. We would like to keep it all in Discord and making sure that we have everything set here, but that is pretty much how it is that we're going to be utilizing the Discord group chat and making sure that we are scheduling our calls every single day, Monday through Friday, 30 minutes a day, 30 minutes after the market opens. And again, that was sent to you via email, giving you a breakdown on when the mentorship takes place, as well as how we meet up on a daily basis. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@learnplanandprofit.com. So that is info@learnplanprofit.com. Thank you again.